Alrighty then, so next step, what would be the name of your business? Maybe you already know what the name is, but I have encountered thousands of people who have problems just to name the business. It's like, people are stuck in naming their own babies. You can have anything as your name. Look at Sony, look at Hyundai, look at Toyota. These are just names. We don't know what they actually meant. But eventually, when you start a business and people know about it, it starts to make sense to people. So I suggest that you keep a simple name. You can just take the first syllable of yourself and your friends and make it into a company name. So imagine your name is John, my name is Rehan, and our friend's name is Harry. So we can take three of our people's names alphabetically and just take John, Harry, and Rehan. JHR Company, JHR Incorporated, JHR Corporation. Could be anything. All you need is a name right now to identify your business with that name, so that when people call you and they say, hey, this is John from JHR Corporation. So that's about it. That's how easy it is to name your name. You can also be something like Apple or Orange or Mango. It doesn't really matter what your name is. Right now, what matters is that all of your three friends are together trying to solve this problem, and they call themselves as this name. If you've seen the movie of Steve Jobs, Woz and Steve are going in their car to a convention center and they just come up with the name Apple. That's how Apple Computers was born. The world's biggest company in the world just came out just like that. So your company name could be anything. It doesn't have to be the perfect name right now. You can always change in future. But right now, most important thing is to conquer your fear, conquer yourself, and start your business. How about that? So let's write down what your name of your company is, and let's start from there.